Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angels Public School, Bagpat. Online Economics classes part 14, class 11 Commerce. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we will discuss chapter number 2, Consumers Equilibrium, which is from Microeconomics book. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed consumer theory portion of consumer equilibrium case of two commodities, theory portion of consumer equilibrium case of two commodities, and you know that first main condition of consumer equilibrium case of two commodities, mux upon px is equal to muy upon py. This is the main condition of consumer equilibrium case of two commodities. I hope all of you have understood. Now second condition of consumer equilibrium case of two commodity, mu falls as consumption increases according to law of diminishing marginal utility. mu falls as consumption increases according to law of diminishing marginal utility. I hope all of you have understood. See, now today we are going to explain consumer equilibrium with the help of schedule in case of two commodities. See, let's take an example to show consumer equilibrium. See, suppose total money income of the consumer is rupee 10. Suppose total money income of the consumer is rupee 10, and after this price of good x and price of good y is rupee t 2 each unit, is rupee 2 each unit. See, there are many combinations. See, this combination is showing that I am purchasing 5 units of good x and 0 unit of good y. This combination is showing that 4 units of good x and 1 unit of good y. This combination is showing that 3 units of good x and 2 units of good y. 2 units of good x, 3 units of good y. 1 unit of good x and 4 units of good y. 0 unit of good x and 5 units of good y. First of all, you will write these combinations. You will write possible combinations. First of all, you will write possible combinations. I hope all of you have understood. After this, see, ignore this and ignore this, because this combination is showing only units of one good, and this combination is also showing one means units of only one good, means this combination and this combination you will ignore. See, there are four combinations. See, first, second, third and fourth. Now it's up to you. You can show consumer equilibrium by using this combination, and either you can show consumer equilibrium by using this combination, or we can say by using this combination, or we can say by using this combination. It's up to you. Means suppose I'm taking this combination to show consumer equilibrium with the help of schedule. See, here. First of all, you will make table. with 3 column. First, second and third. See, units, marginal utility of x counted because good x and good y, and marginal utility of good y. See, in utils. Maximum unit we can purchase according to this example means 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now first of all you will give any value to the marginal utility of good x. First of all, you will give any value to the marginal utility of good x, but value should be in decreasing order. Value should be in decreasing order. See, suppose I am taking here 24. Suppose I am taking here 24. Now we know that satisfaction from first unit of good x, satisfaction from first unit of good x will be greater than satisfaction from second unit of good x. It means that satisfaction of second unit will be less than satisfaction of first unit. Suppose, that's why I am taking here, suppose 20. I'm taking here 20. You can take 16. You can take here 19, 22. It's up to you. But that value should be less than 24. See, after this I'm taking here 12. Next, suppose I'm taking here 8. After 4. See, now you are means all of you have understood, or we can say all of you know that I am showing consumer equilibrium with by using this combination. By using this combination means 3 units of good x and 2 units of good y. See, marginal utility of third unit of good x is 12 utils. So according to this I will put, or we can say I will take 12. I will take value of 12. I will take value of 12 on second, or we can say I will take value of 12 for the second unit of good y. Then because I am using 3 units of good x and 2 units of good y, means suppose here is 12. Now I will take here for second unit of good y 12. I hope all of you have understood. 12. Now we know that marginal utility should be in diminishing way, means only can decreasing order. See, now I am taking here suppose 20, and after the on second unit, or you can say for second unit we will take 12, because at third unit of good x is 12, because we are taking 3 units of good x and 2 units of good y. See, after this I am taking here 10, 6 and 2. See, now you can say that sir, or we can say you may ask from me, sir, there is 20 and there is also a 20 value, means there is 20 and there is also a 20, means there will be consumer equilibrium, there will be consumer equilibrium. See here, according to these value means both are same, or we can say which are same. See, according to this, I am consuming 2 units of good X, 2 units of good X, and according to this, I am consuming 1 unit of good Y, 1 unit of good Y. See here, this combination is showing that I'm not spending entire income, because according to 2 means expenditure of this means 4